অসমৰ করোনা ভাইৰাছৰ ওপৰত RMRC লাহোৱালে এক বিশাল সাফল্য লাভ কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছে। সেয়া হৈছে যিটো করোনা ভাইৰাছৰ ষ্টেইন, they have been able to separate that strain. এটো এটা যেনেকে NIV পুনে তেওঁলোকে করোনা ভাইৰাছৰ ষ্ট্ৰেইনটো সেপাৰেট কৰিব পাৰিছিলে আৰু তাৰ ভিত্তিত এতিয়া ভ্যাকচিন নিৰ্মাণৰ কাম ভাৰতবৰ্ষত আৰম্ভ হৈছে। সেই ধৰণে এতিয়া আমি অসমৰ করোনা ভাইৰাছৰ ওপৰত যিহেতু আমি করোনা ভাইৰাছৰ ষ্ট্ৰেইনটো from the swab or sample আমি যিবিলাক লওঁ তাৰ সেইবিলাকৰ ভিত্তিত RMRC লাহোৱালে ইয়াক সেপাৰেট কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছে। গতিকে অসম স্পেসিফিক বহুতবিলাক ষ্টাডি কৰাৰ পথ ইয়াৰ ফলত মুকলি হৈছে। করোনা ভাইৰাছৰ অসমৰ চলি থকা সংক্ৰমণৰ বিষয়ে আপোনালোকক এটা আভাস দিম। The Regional Medical Research Center for Northeast Region, situated at Lahowal, Dibrugarh, has been supporting the state of Assam and other any state in the fight against COVID-19. Till now, center has provided almost 50,000 diagnostic test reports of COVID-19 for the people of this region. The research center is engaged in various biomedical research work, including on the new COVID-19 pandemic. It is a pleasure to note that RMRC Dibrugarh has been successful in isolating SARS-CoV-2 COVID-19 virus in their BSL-3 lab. আমি য'ত টেষ্ট কৰোঁ তাক BSL-2 ল্যাব বুলি কয় আৰু য'ত ভাইৰাছৰ ওপৰত ষ্টাডি হয় তাক BSL-3 ল্যাব হয়। As per our knowledge, RMRC Lahowal is the only third government lab in the country after NIV Pune and CCMB CISR lab Hyderabad, and fourth lab overall after Bharat Biotech to isolate the virus in tissue culture. So, তেওঁলোকে এটা বিৰাট ডাঙৰ সফলতা অৰ্জন কৰিছে যে ভাৰতৰ ভিতৰতে এটো তৃতীয়টো ল্যাব যোনে SARS-CoV-2 বা COVID-19 যিটো ষ্ট্ৰেইন ইন টিস্যু কালচাৰ তেওঁলোকে ইয়াক সেপাৰেট কৰিব সক্ষম হৈছে। They use an immortal cell line Viro CCL81 derived from kidney epithelial cell lines from the green African monkey, which express the importance of ACE2 receptor needed by SARS-CoV-2 for cellular entry. In layman terms, of the significance of the COVID-19 virus isolated by the team scientists of RMRC Dibrugarh is that live and viable SARS-CoV-2 vaccine now can be produced in the laboratory in abundance and as and when required. This is important for the development of inactivated COVID-19 vaccine where virus grown in laboratory are inactivated by the heat or chemical and purified for use as a vaccine after preclinical and clinical trials. Further, apart from the vaccine development, the potential uses of culture of SARS-CoV-2, including drug screening for potential drugs or drugs candidates against the virus, testing effectiveness of disinfectants used in the development of therapeutic antibodies, etc. It is also important to note that Bharat Biotech, in collaboration of ICMR NIV Pune, has developed an inactivated COVID-19 vaccine, which will go for phase 1 and phase 2 human clinical trials starting in July. The COVID-19 virus, which is just over 6 months old, has spread across the human communities, and scientists now have detected over 10 different clades or strains circulating around the world. Originally, only 2 types of the virus was noted, the L type and S type, but S type is slowly disappearing. Dr. Borkakoti and his team at RMRC Dibrugarh in April this year also developed an in-house test, TSP-PCR, to detect the L or S type of the virus within 3 hours. It was found that all strains circulating in Assam were L type. However, now scientists have classified the virus into different clades, 0, A1, A2A, A3B, B1 and so on, which differ from another very minutely. The A2A clade is now almost dominant clade across the world, including India. In fact, all over the SARS-CoV-2 virus strain circulating differs by less than 0.3%. So the strain variation till now in different geographical regions of the world should not pose a problem for vaccine development. There was a lot of debate যে ইমান strain ওলাইছে যে ভ্যাকসিন কোনোবা এটা জায়গাত যদি এফেক্টিভ হয় আন এটা strainৰ কাৰণে ভ্যাকসিন এফেক্টিভ নহব নেকি? Now RMRC Lahual has come to a conclusion that entire world etia L type virus, and if specifically অসমত যদি আমি চাব যাওঁ A2A clade এই ভাইৰাছটো এতিয়া অসমত স্প্ৰেড হৈছে, কিন্তু ইটো ভাইৰাছৰ পৰা ইটো ভাইৰাছলৈকে the difference is only 0.03. So and RMRC Lahual has finally concluded that this is the same strain, same vaccine will be applicable, and even আমি যেহেতু এতিয়া আমাৰ strainটো আমি tissue cultureত separate কৰিব পাৰিছো, so now even a vaccine can be developed even on the research conducted or concluded by the RMRC Lahual. At the same time, tinita lebe etu complete koribo parisil, NIV Pune, Amar RMRC Lahual and CSIR. One company has come forwarded and they have adopted NIV Pune, but there will be more candidates who in days to come might adopt the achievement of our RMRC Lahual also.